Hi, my name is Marco Antonio. I teach English and I learn Japanese.
Hi, my name is Concha. I teach Spanish and learn English.
We like going to the mountains on winter. Okay.
I repeat,
Yes, please.
we like going to the mountains on winter.
Perfect. We can say to my back is black, for example.
Okay. My back is black.
Or we can change that and say it's cheap.
My back is cheap.
I often read where. What? I read comics. I often read comics.
I often read comics.
Yes. Or I often read in a library.
I often read in a library.
In a library. Yes.
Library.
Or a supermarket.
She works in a supermarket.
She works in a hospital.
She works in a hospital.
We can change the subject, and instead of saying she, we can say we. For example, we work in a hospital.
Okay.
Okay, changing the subject, and instead of she, we can say we work, and then we can use those two words. We work
We
in a
work
hospital.
in a hospital.
Yes.
Okay.
What else?
Only change with she.
Yes,
The
words
person.
only changes with the third person, she, or he, or it.
Okay.
She, it. Works. Okay? The rest is work. I work. Work. You work. He, she, it. I'm going to say you, he, she, it. We, you, they.
Okay.
The only person with S is works. The one is work. Work. Going to the beach, for example. On winter. That's weird.
We like going to the beach on winter.
Okay.
Like going on holiday to the mountains.
Yes, so you can say different things on holiday. Where are you going? You can go to the beach, you can go to the mountains on holidays. Okay?
Hi, I'm Chiska. I'm learning English and I'm teaching Catalan.
Hello, my name is Ari. I'm learning Catalan here at Aprenem and I'm teaching English.
Hello, my name is Edward and I am learning English. I am teaching Catalan and Spanish.
Hi, my name is Valeris and today I teach English and learn Catalan and Spanish.
Oh, 800 hours. The plane. Next morning, Mary left the cottage. She was going shopping in the village 4 miles away. She carried a rucksack on her shoulder. The rucksack was light, and Mary walked quickly. Edward, would you read that passage, please?
Thank you. Next morning, Mary left the cottage. She was going
A bit
shopping.
louder, please.
And she was going shopping in the village 4 miles away. She carried a rucksack on her shoulder. The rucksack was light and Mary walked quickly.
Very good.
Mary started to climb up the hill behind her cottage. On top of the hill there was a wood. Through the wood, on the other side of the hill, there was a valley. In the valley, there was a small airfield. Would you like to read it?
Mary started to climb up the hill behind her cottage. On the top of the hill, there was a wood. Through the wood, on the other side of the hill, there was a valley. In the valley, there was a small airfield.
Every week, Mary walked over the old runway. It was the quickest way to the village and the shops. Edward?
30 years ago, the airfield had closed and now grass grew on the runway. Every week, Mary walked over the old runway. It was the quietest way to the village and the shops.
Quickest way to the village. There you go.
Okay. It was a bright, clear morning, and Mary felt happy. The sun was shining on the grass, and the air was clean and fresh. Mary loved the bright, clear air in the north of Scotland. She liked living alone in Scotland. It was so quiet, so peaceful, so easy to write her books here.
First, yeah.
It was a bright, clear morning, and Mary felt happy. The sun was shining on the grass, and the air was clean and fresh. Mary loved the bright, clear air in the north of Scotland. She liked living alone in Scotland. It was so quiet, so peaceful, so easy to write her books here.
Now let's ask some questions about the text. See if you've understood it.
Okay.
So, Edward, how far was the village from Mary's cottage?
She was 4 miles away.
That's it, that's good. 4 miles away. Okay.
Okay, now a question for you, Cheska.
Okay.
What time of the day was it when Mary left her cottage? Was it night? Was it afternoon?
Okay. When Mary left the cottage, it was a bright, clear morning.
Okay. England, Wales, Northern Ireland, or
she went to Scotland.
she lived in Scotland. She was living in Scotland. Yeah, that's very good.
Can you tell us who was Mary? What was her profession?
I think she was a writer because it says she liked writing her books here.
Yes.
My name is Hannah. I am learning Spanish and teaching English.
Hi, my name is Mohammed. I'm learning English and I'm teaching Arabic.
Hi, my name is Christian and I teach English and I learn Portuguese and Italian.
Okay, so today we've been speaking about music. Do you have a favourite type of music?
No, I don't have a really preferred or favorite type of music. I just enjoy listening to music, any kind of music. I don't listen to kind of music.
Yeah, so you could say you're very open-minded.
Yeah, I am
with
very
the music.
open-minded with the music. Yeah, I listen to music of all over the world. I mean, music in Arabic, English, maybe French, and maybe sometimes I listen to music that I really don't understand the lyrics. So if I like it, I listen to it.
Okay. Do you prefer music when you can understand the lyrics or when you can't?
When I can. When I can understand what I'm listening to, yeah.
Why?
Why? Because, I don't know, you can connect with the lyrics and what the singer wants to express, and
Yeah.
I think it's the best way to, I don't know. If
Just
I
the
like
music, only the melody,
like
without
classic music.
classical music or some kind of music where there is nobody singing, where it's just the melody, only the musical
Yeah,
notes.
I prefer some kind of songs that where as a singer, because I think that the music is fine. It's with the lyrics you can really understand better what they want to transmit.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe maybe just to connect with like you said.
Okay, so it's more personal. It has more of a personal link from the singer to the listener. Okay.
I prefer with lyrics too, yeah. I would say. In your case?
I think it depends on my mood, and it depends on the type of music. Lastly, then I can look at the vocabulary, and that's a good way to learn. And music also sticks in the head, it stays inside the head much more. Yeah. Can you play any musical instruments?
No.
When I was younger, I used to learn how to play guitar. Okay, but I didn't end it. So I just took some classes and I can play some chords and so. But I would like to continue doing it.
Do you think you will in the future?
Yes. At some point in my life, I would like to.
What type of guitar was it?
Classical guitar, the Spanish one.
So you have the
yeah.
lots of different things. Okay. Yeah.
It's really good because you can distress, you can release all your stress by playing an instrument.
Yeah. But
like
you say no?
No, I like the percussion. In fact, with any friend, I just start picking up the percussion, just like that.
Yeah, and it's always with a group of people.
Yeah. Just to have fun.
Yeah.
I really enjoy having ancient musical instruments from Morocco where I'm from. But I try to play them, but I can't really. It's really hard.
Yeah. What type of musical instruments would you use in Morocco?
I have an ancient guitar. It's made of like goat's skin. You mean?
Skin.
Yeah. And it's really hard to play, but I don't know. It's like triangle.
And it's a guitar.
It's like a
strings
guitar.
made of skin, right?
With strings.
Yeah.
I don't remember what's the name of the instrument.
Well, it sounds very exotic
Yeah.
to me. It
It's
sounds
really
good.
exotic.
Yeah. Thank you.